One of the most recognized reversal formations in technical analysis is the head and shoulders pattern. Whether you're spotting it at the top of an uptrend or in its inverse form at a bottom, the challenge has always been timely identification. With the right tools, that's no longer a manual task. In this demonstration, we'll be using a free open-source indicator by Zimmerman, available in the TradingView public library. Once loaded on your chart, this tool continuously scans price action to detect classic head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders formations. Each pattern is drawn automatically, giving you a clear visual of the neckline and the three critical peaks or troughs. The detection logic is based on swing structure recognition. It monitors price sequences that meet the proportional requirements of a valid pattern: two shoulders with a central peak or dip that is notably higher or lower, and a neckline formed from the pivot structure. This process is entirely automated, removing the subjectivity that often comes with manual drawing. What's especially useful about this indicator is how it handles variability. Not every market condition delivers textbook symmetry, and this script is built to accommodate slight deviations in the angle or slope of the neckline. It also tracks historical patterns, so you're not limited to just real-time detection. You can review how similar patterns played out in the past. Once a valid pattern is identified, it's displayed clearly on the chart with the neckline and turning points labeled. This allows for quick assessment of potential breakouts, invalidation levels, and price targets. The indicator doesn't clutter the chart and works across all time frames, making it practical whether you're analyzing short-term trades or longer-term setups. Naturally, no indicator should be used in isolation. The automatic head and shoulders detection is most effective when combined with confirmation tools, volume spikes, oscillator divergence, or trendline confluence can significantly increase the reliability of each signal. Ultimately, this indicator allows traders to monitor the market efficiently without constantly scanning for setups. It cuts down on missed opportunities and helps you focus on execution, not just analysis. For anyone relying on pattern-based trading strategies, this is a simple but effective enhancement to your toolkit.